Welcome to another enlightening episode of the healing power of nature. Today, we delve into the remarkable world of Boldo leaf, a plant deeply rooted in South American traditions. With its vibrant green leaves and soothing aroma, Boldo is renowned for its impressive medicinal properties that contribute to overall wellness. The Boldo plant, with its unique alkaloid, boldine, plays a vital role in enhancing digestive health. As you sip on a warm cup of Boldo tea, envision the gentle caress of nature working wonders within your body. Boldo is celebrated for its ability to stimulate bile production, facilitating a smoother digestion process and alleviating post-meal discomfort. Many have turned to Boldo tea for relief from bloating and various liver-related issues. However, as we explore the healing power of nature, it is crucial to approach Boldo with caution. While its benefits are substantial, moderation is key, and consultation with a healthcare professional is essential, particularly for pregnant women and individuals with specific health conditions. Embracing nature's remedies can empower us towards better health, but informed choices ensure our well-being will continue to thrive. So, let nature guide you on your wellness journey. Remember to subscribe to the healing power of nature to stay updated on more natural remedies and holistic practices that nurture your body and soul. Thank you for joining us today, and may you find peace and healing in every leaf and petal of nature.